Hey everyone, so we're going to do some notes today for multiplying and dividing integers. Notes, multiplying and dividing integers. Just remember, an integer can be a positive or a negative number. Here's some examples. And then we have the multiplying rules. Rules for multiplying integers. It's simple. The signs are either going to be the same or they're going to have different signs. Okay, so whenever we multiply two numbers with the same sign, okay, or multiply two numbers with the same sign and the product is positive. Now product is just the answer. You see over here I just put answer. That's what product means. It's the answer to a multiplication problem. And then anyway, different signs. Multiply two numbers with different signs and the answer is negative. And then I put underneath kind of like with symbols. So this is a positive times a positive is positive. Negative times a negative is positive. That's tricky. Negative times a positive is negative. Positive times a negative is negative. So when the signs are the same, the answer is positive. When the signs are different, the answer is negative. Okay, I'm going to highlight that a little bit. So same, you should think positive. Different, you should think negative. And that's for multiplying integers. The good thing about multiplying and dividing is they have the same rule. Same rule. Okay? When the signs are the same, so here it says divide two numbers with the same sign and the quotient is positive. Quotient just means answer. See over here I have answer instead of quotient. So positive divided by positive is positive. Negative divided by negative is positive. Okay. And then when the signs are different, so different signs, divide two numbers with different signs and the answer is negative. So negative divided by positive, the answer is negative. Positive divided by negative, the answer is negative. Okay, so kind of like before, same sign, think positive, different signs, think negative. So here we have, or pause this and copy it if you need time to copy it. I'm going to do the examples and then we'll be done. Now this really you should have somewhere. You should have this somewhere handy, like on a post-it note in your area or whatever workstation, wherever you're at home. That way you remember it. Again, you should have this somewhere. And it's the same for multiplying and dividing. You shouldn't have to write it twice. But if we look at our examples, I wrote multiplication a couple of different ways. These are different ways you'll see multiplication. The first way is with two parentheses stuck together. This means multiply. Another way you'll see this in today's worksheet is when you put an X in between them. So this is 3 times negative 5. This is how you've been used to seeing them, and we'll see them today like this. But eventually we're going to see them like A and C. C, if it has a dot in between two numbers, that also means multiply. Okay, so if I want to multiply these, negative 4 times negative 6, I look, they're both negative, so my answer should be positive. And then 6 times 4 is 24. 3 times negative 5, the 3 is positive, the 5 is negative. Because they're different signs, my answer is negative. Right, and then 3 times 5 is 15. 7 times 4, the signs are different. Different signs, negative. 28. So it's really same sign positive, different signs negative. So then if I look over here, and you put it on this side, negative 18 divided by 3, well the signs are different, negative. 15 divided by negative 3, the signs are different, negative. Doesn't matter which one's bigger, the signs are either the same or different. Negative 24 divided by negative 4, same sign, positive. Okay, so take some time, rewind this if you need to rewind it. Make sure you copy everything. Let's do some work.